Alright guys, got some really exciting news from Arrma today. They're releasing their brand new V2 Limitless rolling chassis. This thing's got quite a few updates from the original Limitless, and I think it's going to be a really cool car. The biggest and most exciting update is out of the box this thing is designed to handle 8S, which I think a lot of people are going to love because 8S is where it's at on a car like this. Now before we go into details on this, I want to let you guys know I've got a lot of really awesome stuff coming up on this channel. Got news and reviews, upgrades, new cars coming out, and a whole lot more. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified so you don't miss any of the exciting new stuff coming up. Let's take a closer look at this. We've got a new motor mount that allows you to put larger motors on it, as well as a revised chassis that allows you to move that motor mount for different size motors. They put a shorter rear center drive shaft in, which is going to produce less vibration at high speeds. They've revised the electronics module to allow for larger 8S ESCs. They lowered the gear ratio on the differentials, and that's also going to allow for less drivetrain speed, which will reduce vibration as well. They've increased the rear track on this. They've also stiffened the front springs and the sway bar. One really cool thing that they've done is they're going to be including a clear body for you to paint yourself, which I think is awesome. And of course, they're going to have new color schemes as well. Beyond those things, this is largely going to be the same vehicle, but I do believe that those changes that they've made are going to make for a more stable and probably more fun Limitless. Given that this is the same platform as the Felony and the Infraction, I expect a lot of these changes to trickle down to them as well, though I don't necessarily expect to see those coming in 8S anytime soon, although that would be really cool. Now, as far as pricing is concerned, it looks like it's going to be a little bit more than the previous version, which isn't a surprise, given the way things have been going with pricing in the industry. Alright guys, what do you think? You think these changes are enough to make you want to buy this new version? I think it looks really nice, and I'm really excited to see what people can do with it. That's all we have for this video. Make sure you subscribe and like. Put any comments down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.